My name's Gemma and I'm the lead writer at Mastery Science. I'm going to go through with you some of the changes we've made to Complete Mastery Year 7. So we found that teachers wanted 3 areas of improvement, and in this video I'm going to explain the improvements to ease of use. So teaching for mastery involves making some changes in the classroom. Inevitably, with new materials, some things can be confusing. So we've taken on board feedback from hundreds of classrooms to make the materials more intuitive to use. To make it easier to plan using Complete Mastery, we've split up the acquires so each lasts approximately 60 minutes long. And the presentation of each acquire is split up into clear stages based on the 5 E's. Each stage is signposted with a question that will be answered. And this helps you, as well as students, to be aware of the purpose of each stage of the lesson. As well as adding the new support pathway, the teacher guide contains more information on why activities are designed the way they are. We've reduced the number of student sheets for less photocopying, and each student sheet document has a front sheet which shows you how to use each sheet. We've also redesigned many of the student sheets, so rather than used as handouts, they can be projected for the entire class to use. Complete Mastery now comes with a new complete guide, which takes you through the pedagogy behind how we design the course, as well as detailed information about how to run each stage.